Hello, this is a quick update. I've been working on a fire cycle, as you can see. This loops forever. And as I've been working on this over the past few days, I've been slowly getting in the mail components. I've got all the components needed. These are the last ones right here, my capacitors, to finish the board. Here's the Temco resistors in this shiny bag. Here's the voltage regulators, the capacitors. Their values are slightly off. These capacitors here are actually supposed to be 220 or so, and they're actually closer to 230, and in some cases even 240, so they're quite a bit off. But I found one or two that are closer to 220, and there we are. I put one in, ready to be soldered, and the board is getting close to finished. Pretty soon we can test it. We can see just how well it works. You know, and I'm hoping it will work really well. All the components individually work fine, so let's hope that the board itself as a board will actually work really well too. Here's the back side of the board, or the underside. It etched well. And that was using ferric chloride. I didn't videotape that at the time, and I should have, but the next board I do, I will videotape and show you how to etch with ferric chloride. It's tricky to iron on the stencil, quite frankly. And here are all the jacks and pots. They're all in place and ready to go. They're waiting to be soldered as well. So everything is ready to go. Hopefully I'll have some time to do that, and then we'll be able to test it with my oscilloscope, my very basic oscilloscope, and see if it actually outputs anything. And then I'll have to put together a little amplifier to hear sound. See if we can get some sound out of this machine. Because, yeah, my sequencer is ready to go, even though it fell over. So yeah, thus far we have a power supply, a sequencer, and now a VCO. And, well, hopefully now a VCO. And then the next thing will be to build some filters, or a keyboard, perhaps. I don't know. What do you guys think? What should be the next step? Maybe a keyboard? Let me know what you think. Anyways, thank you for tuning in, if you're tuning in. I appreciate it. And I will talk to you folks soon. Take care.